Hello, my name is Mina Angelova. I am an illustrator. I just published my first children's book, The Fairy and the Butterfly. I self-published through KDP and I'm very happy with the results. I just got some questions from Lily Bloom. She seems to be an author as well, and she asks me about the colors and quality of the printing using KDP. I must say I didn't expect the printing to be so good. My illustrations are very tricky. They're full of details. This is watercolor illustration. It's very hard to print, and KDP nailed it. I tried printing in Portugal. I spent money, and the printing wasn't nearly as good as using KDP, so I would definitely recommend it. The thickness of the pages is good. The thickness of the cover, I think it's a little bit thin, but they don't give you any more options on KDP. You can only choose between a glossy and a matte cover. This one is a glossy one. I think it's too shiny and it leaves a lot of fingerprints, so I will switch to a matte cover. Otherwise, I'm really happy with the printing. Then Lily asks me, how did I do the book? How did I put the hand-drawn pictures into PDFs? So, I did square illustrations because I wanted a square book. And I wanted the illustrations to be full-page illustrations, okay? So I scan my illustrations and I start editing. I compose the illustrations with the text, and when it's finished I export to PDF. At least 300 dpi must be the quality of your file, so you have a good print. And you need to work on a file that it's a little bit bigger than your book. For example, if you want a square book that is 8.5 by 8.5 dpi, you need to have a file that is 8.75 by 8.75 dpi, for example, so the bleed will work well. If you don't have a file a little bit bigger than your book, you'll be left with a white margin, and you don't want that. To export for Kindle, you'll have to export in RGB format, which is for digital books. You will have to export each page separately and put it all together in a program that KDP lets you download on their site. It's very intuitive, simple program they give you. You put your PDFs in there and then you export into a MOBI file, which is the format you need your manuscript to be uploaded to KDP. To export your paperback, you have to convert your files to CMKY, and that is the format for paperback books. And then you have to export all your manuscript without the cover into one PDF file. After you export all your manuscript into one PDF file, it is ready to get uploaded into KDP site. The cover needs to be uploaded separately. You have to export a file that contains your front cover, your spine, and your back cover in one file. One PDF for the for the cover upload. And I think that's all essential stuff about editing and exporting. Thank you for a question. If anyone has any questions they want to ask me, feel free. Ask me on the comments and I will definitely respond. If you want to check out my book, it is available on Amazon in Portuguese, Bulgarian and English. It is available for preview, so go check it out. The link is down below. Subscribe if you like my videos. I'll be doing more soon. Bye bye.